Hi, this is Ravi. In this video, we will learn what a Fibonacci retracement is and how to draw it on the Nifty 50 index. So, what is a Fibonacci retracement or Fib retracement? Fib retracement is one of the many tools and techniques in technical analysis. It is used to track possible support and resistance levels of any given asset and then forecast the extent of a correction in an uptrend or a pullback in a downtrend. The Fib retracement is based on a numerical sequence 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, so on till infinity, where each number is the sum of the previous two. The key Fib retracement levels are then found by performing various mathematical operations on the numbers in the numerical sequence seen above. For example, the 61.8% ratio, which is also known as the golden ratio, is found by dividing a number in the sequence by the number that follows it, that is 8 by 13, 13 by 21, 34 by 21, and so on. Similarly, the 38.2% ratio is found by dividing a number in the sequence by the number that appears two places to the right of it, that is 8 by 21, 13 by 34, 21 by 55, and so on. The 23.6% ratio is found by dividing a number in the sequence by the number that appears three places to the right of it, that is 8 by 34, 13 by 55, and so on. The other important 98.6% ratio is found by finding the square root of 61.8%. While 50%, 78.6%, and 100% ratios are not officially Fib ratios, they are included in the list as well, as these also act as natural support and resistance levels. The Fib levels are accomplished by measuring the distance between two extreme points and then directly applying the specific retracement ratios to the aggregate value. For example, the Nifty made a high of 12430.5 on 20th Jan 2020 and a low of 7511.10 on 24th March 2020. The aggregate value in the above example is the difference between the high and the low, which comes to about 4919.4. The significant retracement ratios are then obtained by applying them to this aggregate value, that is 23.6% level is at 4919.4 into 0.236 plus 7511.10, which comes to about 8672.08. Similarly, the other levels can be calculated as follows. The 38.2% level is at 9390.31. The 50% level is at 9970.8. The 61.8% level is at 10551.29 and 78.6% level is at 11,377.75. But why are Fib retracements important? Fib retracements are considered a popular tool as price reversals are believed to occur more frequently around the Fib retracement levels. In an uptrend, Fib retracement levels may act as a support level where price may bounce and continue moving higher. Conversely, in a downtrend, Fib retracement levels may act as a resistance level where price may bounce and correct lower. However, we recommend you to use the Fib retracements as a complementary tool to confirm signals from other indicators and not to depend exclusively on it. Now let's see how we can draw the Fib retracement levels on the Nifty 50 index. Point your browser to investing.com and type the name of the asset or instrument in the search box. In our case, it is Nifty 50. Click on the search result. This will open the chart viewer. Scroll down and click on technical chart. Switch to full screen mode. Enable candlesticks. From the third drop menu on the left, select Fib retracement tool. Make sure you are using the daily time frame. Draw from the high of 12430.5 to the low of 7511.10. Make any adjustments using the coordinates tab in the settings menu. It can be found that Nifty had a stiff resistance at 38.2% level, which is at 93.90, and the resistance held for more than a week. Nifty pushed through the resistance finally on 29th April and is currently at the crucial 50% level, which is at 99.70. Will it find resistance or will it build out some type of reversal pattern is to be seen in the coming days. Thank you all for watching. Also, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.